you know, say, $200 car. It's pretty dented up right here. You know, there's a dent back on the quarter panel. Guy said when the engine dropped on him, he just started kicking the car and get up. Oh, look at that. Fired up on the first shot. It's pretty cool. There's how it's running. It's idling up. It does have a knob. So, whoa. Alright guys, time to take the engine out. Hopefully I can get it out. I'm by myself here, so we'll see. So here's what was going on with it. If you pay attention, let me raise this up just a little bit, but let me set it down a little now. So basically what you want to do, you want to tap down, and if there's no movement, I already did it and the movement is coming from here. So if you watch it, watch how it's going to fall down and you're going to hear it. This one has a main bearing, a rod bearing that's bad. So real easy to do that. If you're ever inspecting an engine, look for that. But yeah. A little lube in there to kind of clean the little surface rust off. It's spray a little lube in there, take a little Scotch-Brite and go through and pretty much knock all of this rust off the top of the as clean as I can. All right, what's going on, guys? Justin from 79 Productions. Just wrapped up this swap. Now, got a lot done. It was a lot of work, guys, between painting this car, swapping the engine, doing everything. I did everything by myself. It was hard getting it in there, but we got it done. Now, I'm not all the way finished yet, but I just wanted to give you guys a little recap of everything that I've done. I put it all in one video. Sorry I haven't done any, 2-3 uploads a week like I normally do, but I was trying to get this done and I got it done. So I just wrapped everything up between the paint job. I already put the paint job video up, but put some clips of that in here as well. And yeah, we got this thing going. I'm excited. So in the next couple of days, I'll touch everything up. I'll get the lights, I'll get everything hooked back up, finish up with the wiring and everything like that. Bleed the coolant lines and everything like that. And hopefully we'll get it rolling. So in this video, guys, I wanted to show you guys, you don't need a lot of money to build a car. So here's where I am with this. I bought this car for $200. I sold the wheels on it for $150. So now I'm back in it for $50. The 17s that are on it, I got those for $100. So I got $150 into this now. I went and got the D16 Z6 from a buddy of mine. The head gasket on it blew, so he got rid of the head, and he gave me that engine with all the gaskets for $50. So I believe right now $200 into it, and the timing set was $30. So yeah, $230 into this car so far, the way it sits. And yeah, so I'm happy about it. But guys, I do these things to show you guys you can do this. It's something that's easy. You don't need a lot of money to do it. You just gotta go after it. You gotta get at it. Yeah, it's a cheap car, but it's really hot out here. But yeah, it's a cheap car, but it's something I can have fun with and enjoy. So I got it fired up. I still need to let the engine warm up and everything. I didn't do that yet because I didn't have a alternator hooked up to it. So, I just started off the battery, and I don't want to kill the battery because I'm out here. Then I'd have to take it to get charged and go and come back. And I don't want to do all that. So just a quick little startup to see how she runs. And yeah, it fired up. Now, I do have to go and touch up, like, some of the sensors and stuff were cracked and stuff like that, so I couldn't plug them in. So, I might get idling up and down. So, I got to fix that. But, for what it is, guys, I really have like under $250 into this car, and I'm excited about it. I'm happy about it. $20 on the oil, and most of the stuff that I put together with it, I had laying around. So yeah, but guys, thanks for watching. It just makes me happy that you guys watch these videos, and thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Yeah, right now, under $250 into this car, and I'm super excited about it. D16 Z6 block and head. So lucked up with that. Thanks to my buddy John. I'll put his Instagram right here on the screen. Yeah, thanks to him. $50 for that. He gave me the complete gasket set and everything. He was going to use it on one of his projects, but he didn't go through with it, so picked it up off of him. And yeah, we got a running car for under $250. So excited about that. But guys, thanks for watching. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at 79 Productions. Now, if you do follow me on Instagram, you'll notice that I take a lot of pictures, and the pictures are up. Like when I started doing the swap and everything, when I picked up the engine, those pictures are up like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and I haven't been filming. So if you want to stay updated, follow me on Instagram at 79 Productions. And if you haven't yet, guys, pick up some merch from me, a t-shirt or a sticker that helps out with these builds. Link will be in the description. And guys, thanks for watching again. And as always, guys, God bless you, and I'll catch you on the next one.